Are you looking for the best technology to weld your aluminum tanks for low-pressure storage? Let me introduce you to an innovative technology for assembling your parts, Friction Stir Welding. By showing you a complete cycle from design to welding, you'll see that it's simple, automated, and also technically advantageous and cost-effective compared to traditional welding methods. For this video, our team of experts has specially designed a proof of concept. The aluminum tank consists of two main components, a housing and two covers. The FSW process begins by clamping the aluminum tank within the CNC machine. Thanks to a friction stir welding head installed on your existing CNC and carefully studied parameters, you can easily create your own parts. Let's begin the process. As the FSW tool rotates and plunges along the joint, it generates enough heat to forge a strong and seamless bond between the cover and the housing. The FSW process enables you to weld low-pressure storage aluminum tanks in a robust manner, with superior joint strength, minimal distortion, and reduced post-processing. After repeating this step twice for each cover, the part is ready to be removed from the clamping. The final step involves milling the excess material from the edges of the covers. Once complete, the tank is ready. You can achieve precise and consistent welds using FSW, ensuring that your low-pressure aluminum tanks meet the highest standards of strength, tightness, and mechanical resistance. All of this is made possible thanks to our FSW head, an equipment compatible with 99% of CNC machines on the market, transforming your machining center into a hybrid system for both friction stir welding and milling operations. Want to learn more and start making your own parts? Contact us now.